this smoothie, we are going to use 2 bananas, 2 dates, peanut butter, a cup of milk, and some ice. Dates are rich in protein and vitamins such as vitamin A, C, E, and K. Peanut butter is high in healthy fats, also contains vitamin E, B3, B5, and iron. Now it's time to add your favorite topping. I'm adding some melted chocolate spread. For this smoothie, we are going to use 1 banana, which is a good source of vitamin C and B6, 2 kiwis, and some raspberries. Kiwi contains vitamin C, K, and E, which is great for strengthening your immune system. Raspberries are rich in vitamin A, B6, and calcium. I forgot to add the ice, however, this is optional.